Our top story at this hour, Facebook has yet again come under scrutiny for violation of its privacy guidelines. A leaker has gone ahead and published private details of more than 500 million Facebook users. The low-level hacking forum says that the private details of individuals are available virtually for free. Let's now understand the scale of this massive hack. Facebook users from 106 countries will be affected by this, including more than 32 million records on users in the US. 11 million of users in the UK and 6 million users in India. The database appears to be the same set of Facebook-linked telephone numbers that has been circulating within hacker circles since January. Their existence was first reported by the tech publication Motherboard. Motherboard's story earlier this year had cited Facebook claiming that the leaked data appeared to be the fruit of a bug that the company fixed in August of 2019. Alan Gall, co-founder of Israeli cybercrime intelligence firm Hudson Rock, has claimed of having verified the authenticity of at least some of the data by comparing it against phone numbers of people that he knew. The leakage would certainly lead to bad actors taking advantage of the data to perform social engineering attacks, hacking attempts, and more. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.